In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho Workdrive. Zoho Workdrive is a cloud storage and collaboration tool where you can keep files organized and share them with others securely. In this walkthrough, you will upload a file and then share it with someone using the built-in sharing options and permissions. Once you are signed in to Zoho Workdrive, look to the left navigation pane. This is where you choose where your file will live. If the file is for your personal use or your own organization, select My Folders. If the file belongs to a shared workspace that multiple people collaborate on, choose the appropriate team folder instead. Picking the right location now helps you avoid moving files later and keeps access consistent for everyone who needs it. After you are in the folder where you want the file to go, move to the top menu bar and click the plus new button. This is the main place to add new content into Workdrive. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select File Upload. This option uploads an existing file from your computer, rather than creating something new inside Workdrive. Your computer's file picker window will open. Browse to the file you want to upload. Click on it to select it, and then click Open. Give the upload a moment to finish. You should see the file appear in the folder list once it is successfully added. If you are working with a large file, stay on the page until it completes, so the upload does not get interrupted. Now that the file is in Workdrive, you can share it. Find the uploaded file in the list, right-click it, and select Share. This opens the sharing panel, where you can invite someone to access the file. In the recipient field, enter the person's email address, then set their permission level before you send the invitation. Choose a permission that matches what you want them to do, such as viewing only, or being able to edit. Setting the correct permission is important for preventing unwanted changes and keeping your information controlled. When everything looks right, click Share to send the invitation. The recipient will receive access based on the permission you selected, and you can repeat the same process anytime you need to share additional files. And that covers everything you need to know.